The weight reduction game has started. I mean, this is basic.
You gotta figure out where all the clips are.
I know, right?
They're like hidden.
Yeah. First, we gotta get rid of those two subwoofers because we don't need it.
Yeah, I don't think
we get it off alley, can we? Oh.
you can.
Oh. Oh. Might have to pop some from the front too, right? Oh god, that's a big one in there.
This is a just cover.
It's nicer than my wheel. I can't say that. I have Titan 7s now.
Here's where the BMW stuff starts. Torques.
There it is. You just pull it really hard and make sure you like try to pull the tabs off, pull this with the trim. Alright, good. One piece down. About like 16 others to go.
Just do it.
Oh. Oh, you just pulled in.
Yeah, it's just clipped in.
Okay. I should just name this episode Daniel Disassembles the Interior of a 90. Are you alright?
And cuts himself.
Oh no. I'm sorry. Goddamn German cars. Alright. Wow. Oh my god, what is in there? What is in there?
Wow.
What is that?
I have no idea. Some sort of. What is what? Looks like some ECU stuff.
Okay, let's not touch it. Anything with wires connected to it, let's not touch it.
Yeah.
Anything without wires connected to it, out.
Well, welcome to the 21st century, dog. There's gonna be wires connect to everything.
Fuck. This is a neck pillow.
Yeah, just strap that to
Oh wow.
There we go.
Oh wow, buddy.
Elbow pads.
Elbow pads.
Go rollerblading. Watch my arm be itchy as hell.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Is there any more of that we can just take right out? Oh, this is what I'll get Fiona.
Thanks for ruining my car.
Boom. Thank you. Oh, that's for taking the shit off, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to take that off. I just want to take the plastic off. How do we do that?
There's probably an order.
Let's deal with that later. Let's do as much interior panel as we can. There we go. That's gone forever, isn't it? Sweet. More off. More off. This is like a pound. Maybe. Half a pound.
Because I love my bumps.
Oh, okay. Well, thankfully I don't care. Thanks. Let's get that out. Thank you.
Well, there's like something, every Austria.
Austria, yeah.
At least it doesn't say BMW.
Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, more clips. Oh, you broke. Okay, that broke.
Oh, Jackie!
Yeah.
Actually says Toyota here.
You're joking!
Actually says Toyota.
It says Toyota on
Oh
there.
my god.
Did we just break that tab? It's okay.
It's on camera now forever.
It is on camera now. I even have the evidence. Daniel. Oh my god, guys, it's a Toyota. No fucking way. I thought it was a BMW all this damn time.
There's fucking Toyota there.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is all Toyota, guys. This is literally a Toyota. What are you talking about? Alright, everything behind the B pillar, which I assume, where the front door ends, which is like here.
Yeah.
So everything after this can go.
Everything before it has to stay.
Yeah. Well, everything before, visually, has to stay. Whatever's inside there, we can still take out and see, and then if we don't need it, we can take out some denting and shit.
Yo, what the
Good news is we have really easy access to the fuse box now. Really easy access.
That's super easy.
Super easy?
Super.
Is that a pun I just hear?
Super easy.
We're not gutting doors. Everything here we're doing is all reversible. No? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Good. Good job, Alex.
I feel like one day you might have to take this thing for service, and then the Toyota dealership like, what the fuck? Half the car's missing.
I turned it into a pickup. I need a lot of storage. I believe the spirit of the rule is you still need to have a stereo.
Just one speaker.
Yeah, just one speaker. The bin for collecting our stuff in, 3.75 pounds. Box full of interior panels. Not all of it, but quite some of it, the smaller pieces. So it's decent chunk, 6.65. More parts to throw on. The two subwoofers, one box, and the engine cover, and like the rear section accessory lid thingy. Boom. 20.45.
I bet you the engine cover itself is 10.
You sure? Want to check? On you go. 4 pounds. Solid chunk. Two subwoofers. Just two subwoofers of 5 pounds. 4.95. 3.30 for this thingamajig in the back. One factory seat. With zero and everything, 50.35 pounds. So together the two seats are 100
pounds.
Damn. Yep.
There. Alright.
Nice.
I'll catch or something? Oh, that part.
Okay. Is it heavy?
Oh, not really. Like
Oh.
30 pounds?
Oh, that's a
Not that
disappointment.
bad.
That's a disappointment, Alex.
It's actually not that bad.
I was hoping you couldn't lift it up.
It's not that bad.
Alright. Hey, alright.
It's actually not that bad, right? That's a huge one too.
is still pretty
Look
big.
how tall it is.
Right around 29.85 pounds, so this is a solid 30 pounds off the car.
I was like, are you? The megaphone tip. Yo.
Sweet. Yep, it would.
Yo.
Size tip is that?
This is almost too proper.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, is everyone ready?
Oh yeah. Here we go. First cold start. Oh, really good.
I will take you